How to adjust volume on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to adjust volume of CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to adjust the volume of. After you enter the project, tap on the video clip or music that you want to adjust the volume of. Look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options over here. Just drag it to the left side until you see this volume icon. Now click on this volume. After you click on it, drag the slider to the left side to make your volume sound smaller. If you want to increase the sound, drag it to the right side. Once it feels right, click on the check icon. That's it guys, that's how you can adjust volume on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.